Want to learn how to hide your birthday on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to hide your birthday on Facebook, first of all go to Facebook app and open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in just like me. This is just a demo account, so it looks blank over here, but it's going to work anyway. Tap on these 3 straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on your name or see your profile below. Tap on edit profile next to add to story. Scroll down. On the bottom you can see an option of edit to about info. Tap on it. Scroll down until this basic info section. You can see here's an info about your birthday. Tap on edit on the right corner straight to basic info. So you can see that currently my audience who can see my birthday are friends of friends. And if I want to hide my birthday, all I have to do is tap on this friends of friends. First of all, for this day and month, tap on friends of friends. Now you can choose your privacy. So to hide it completely, you can tap on only me on the bottom. You can even choose it for birthday. Tap on friends of friends and tap on only me on the bottom. When you're done changing both of them and during the whole process for hiding your birthday, tap on save on the top right corner. So you can see that your birthday has been hidden successfully since the audience who can see your birthday is only you. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.